Hello and welcome to another video at D.S.R. I'm Zoe and Matthew is behind the camera, and today I'm just going to show you a couple of the mods I've done and I'm going to do on my brand new 2021 MT07. Yeah?
Roll the intro.
So first things first, when I went to pick up my bike from Branson's in Yeovil, I got the radiator guard immediately fitted just to avoid any costs being incurred later on down the line. You know how costly it can be if a stone pierces the radiator, so straight away got a genuine Yamaha radiator guard fitted. Okay, so the next mod I'm going to do, and I'm going to fit today, are these Evotech bobbins ready for the paddock stand. And I got these ones for £42. Easy enough to fit, slides in through the rear axle. You notice this side fits in nicely to this one. It's different on the other side, so you do know which one it goes through. So fit, bobbin end on. Washer sits on, and then I'm just going to hand tighten the nut onto it. I have to reach around to make sure it's pushed through. Cool, that's fitted up. I'm just going to get my socket wrench with a 10mm head and tighten up. So there you have it, nice and easy. Evotech bobbins now fitted. Paddock stand can now be used. Makes maintenance of the bike really simple. There you have it, as I said, two really simple, easy mods that I've done, pretty inexpensive too. I've not managed to get out on the bike since I've bought it, just because the weather's been so awful. So breaking the weather today, Matt and I are going to go riding. I will keep you up to date with whatever mods I do next. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out over here at D.S.R. And stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. Ride safe.